Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are doing one of my favorite pasta recipes. We're making stuffed shells, but I'm going to show you how to make them from scratch. We're going to make the stuffing for the shells, we're going to make our own marinara, and I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. So without any further ado, let's get this awesome recipe started, Basant style. So this recipe has a ton of ingredients and a lot of moving parts, but it is super simple to execute. So I'm gonna go over the basic ingredients and everything else as usual. I'm gonna have it posted in the description. Garlic, black pepper, oregano, basil, salt, fresh garlic, eggs, parsley, chopped onions. I'm using jumbo shells, whole milk mozzarella shredded, butter for garlic bread, Parmesan cheese, crushed tomatoes with basil, tomato paste, whole milk ricotta cheese, olive oil, and French baguette. With pasta, you add 3 tablespoons of oil, and we're gonna boil the pasta for 9 minutes. Mark the clock. After 9 minutes, we're gonna take it out. The pasta is in. It's gonna go in for 9 minutes. So mark the clock. Now I'm gonna start the sauce really quick because it's gonna cook on low simmer. We're gonna get it done side by side. Half cup oil. We're gonna saute 1 onion. We don't have to cook it down. We just have to make it translucent. I like to get the oil really hot. You want to hear that sizzle when you put the onions in. And now you just work it in, let it cook down. As soon as they start to get translucent, then we add the rest of the stuff. This is exactly what you want for onions. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons basil, 1 tablespoon oregano, pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. I'm gonna fold it in really quick. Give it a rough saute, and we're gonna add garlic in the end because it cooks super fast. So you want to give oregano, basil, onion to cook a little bit. 2 tablespoons fresh garlic chopped. I'm just gonna cook it down a little. Now this is super simple. You want to double the batch, double the ingredients, and you'll have double. You want to triple it, triple the ingredients, and you'll have the triple batch. But this is a perfect for a small batch recipe. I'm gonna add crushed tomatoes. Turn the heat down so it doesn't pop up on you. And half can of water. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Let it simmer on low heat. Shells are ready. We had them cooking for 9 minutes. I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna cool them off till we're ready to stuff them. The pasta done, sauce is on a simmer. We're gonna start working on the stuffing for the shells. Whole milk ricotta, and now I'm gonna start seasoning it. Gonna add 2 beaten eggs, 1 tablespoon granulated garlic, 1 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried basil, half teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons fresh chopped parsley. For my favorite part, I'm gonna mix it all in. But look at the gorgeous color. I love making fresh seasoned ricotta for eggplant rolltini. That recipe we're gonna do soon too. And stuffed shells, manicotti. This is it. That's all it takes. It's gonna go in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. I like to put it in so it gets a little firm, and then we're gonna start stuffing the shells. So the key to executing this recipe is doing a few things at the same time. So the sauce is on the simmer, pasta is done, ricotta cheese is in the refrigerator. We're gonna start working on the spread for garlic bread. I have 1 cup of soft butter and half cup of Parmesan cheese, 1.5 tablespoon granulated garlic, 1 big teaspoon of parsley, fresh chopped, half teaspoon black pepper, and half teaspoon salt. Salt you can plus minus because you have Parmesan cheese in it, but I'll transfer this in a steel bowl so I can mix it really quick. Oh, maybe I should have just started it in my steel bowl. This is it. It's ready. Good to go. I'm using a baguette. I love the consistency of it and I love how it tastes toasted. You can use Italian bread too. I'm gonna cut it right in the middle. I took a piece of foil almost the size of the bread. We are gonna start with this. I like my bread really garlicky, so I'm gonna use it with a little heavy hand, but it's totally up to you. So you get all of it. And almost there. This is such an easy recipe to make this spread, and it's just the exact amount, just enough for like maybe one and a half breads. We are gonna fold it. This is ready. So guys, hard part is over. Now it's just putting stuff together. I have the stuffing ready. We have the shells ready. And I'm gonna show you the coolest way to pipe them. We're gonna take a piping bag. So they get stuffed evenly. Just like that. I'm gonna show you one more time. Take a quick look at the sauce. Wow, you could tell this is ready, good to go. And I want to show you the consistency. Check that out. The recipe is 95% complete. We did this in 3 steps. I'm going to show you the 3 steps. Sauce, nicely done. Shells, cooked and stuffed. They're ready to be baked. And garlic bread. This is going to go in the oven while we're baking the stuffed shells. So when we're done, everything is done at the same time. I'm going to start off with sauce on the bottom. Now I'm gonna put the mozzarella cheese on it. So this is gonna go in 400-degree oven covered for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna take the cover off and cook it for another 5 minutes so the cheese can brown. Stuffed shells are ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna repeat it again. They're gonna go in 400-degree oven for 30 minutes covered. Then we're gonna take the foil off and we're gonna cook it again for 5 more minutes to brown it or melt it all the way. And then we're gonna serve. I have the stuffed shells baking. While they're baking, we're gonna finish garlic bread really quick. We had it seasoned, we had it wrapped. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes and then we're gonna uncover it and bake it again for about 3 to 4 minutes to crisp the outside, and then we'll have the pasta and the bread ready to go. So 10 minutes are up. Oh my God. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna crisp it. This is gonna go back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. You have to see, you just touch it and it's gonna get nice and crunchy and it's good to go. Garlic bread is ready. Check this out. I'm gonna I'm gonna garnish it with a little Parmesan cheese. And a little bit more chopped parsley. This looks so cool. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete. Shells are done. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start plating. I want you to look at the gorgeous colors and the craftsmanship on garlic bread and stuffed shells. And the plating is as rustic as it gets. Guys, I wish you could smell it. I wish you could taste it. It is a super simple recipe and very easy steps to follow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had an awesome time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time. Massage style.